Let's check. So this is already cooked. Now we'll put also toppings, coriander leaves or parsley organic. Now we have to turn off now the flame, then we have to cover again. I will prepare now this one because yesterday I harvested this one around 3 or 3:30 p.m. So I did not cook yesterday because I cooked chicken curry. So we have still here for lunch. And this one I have to prepare now because for our dinner, and today is September 19 and today is Friday. Juma Mubarak to all Muslims around the world. So I prepare now early because there is sun outside after preparing this one. So I have to put this one in sun. So just wait nyo na lang kung paano ako magluto ng bitter gourd curry, Pakistani version. As you can see, ang lalaki ng ampalaya. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, 4. It's like ampalaya bitter gourd of Philippines. Oh, mashallah, ang lalaki. And we don't use any kind of manure like this urea or anything. Just we use only manure, yung compost, yung pupo ng kambing, yung pupo ng manok, pupo ng kalabaw o kaya buffalo. So like this, that's why it's very healthy. So ayan, bismillah. Ilang beses na din ako nag-harvest nitong bitter gourd, ampalaya, and then niluto ko. So hahaluan ko ito ng minced meat, yung kima ba. Masarap ito. Kumbaga sa Filipino dish, ampalaya con carne. And dito naman, tawag nila is ampalaya curry. Krili curry. Krili means ampalaya or bitter gourd. So, ganyan yan. Tingnan nyo yung niya, yung seeds niya. Wala talagang sira. Ganyan yan. Slice natin ng And then, after ma-slice ko ito lahat, I will soak, squeeze ko ng ng asin, pero i-leave ko muna ng mga 10 to 10 minutes. Ayan, dapat manipis lang yung slice. Depende. If you have this cutter, then it's much better. Kaya lang wala akong cutter. So, ito na lang kutsilyo. So, these are all 4 pieces of huge slices of bitter gourd. So, I will put salt here and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. And then, I will squeeze it this one. Para mawala-wala yung pait. After 10 minutes, already melted the salt. So, it's already watery now. Now, we have to squeeze now. We have to squeeze. First, make like this. Lamas-lamasin. And then, we have to squeeze it. Ayan, si Langga. Langga is eating fresh. Because they don't like taste bitter. But this organic bitter gourd, our ampalaya, is not too much bitter. So must be I have to remove some bitter because they don't like. But for me, fresh, no need to make like this squeeze. Now you see, oh, ayan. Daming juice. Ito na yung juice na pinagbabaran ko ng asin with slices of bitter gourd. So, ito napigaan na. And then, next again ay hugasan ko ng tubig. I will wash again with water. So, yung pait niya ay matanggal talaga. Ayan, then again, I will squeeze again this one. And then, I will put now in the sun. I will squeeze again this one. Because if you make like this, then my siblings, they can eat. Everybody like it. Langga, especially Langga, he can eat anything. For Fahad and Fatma and my husband, they like this kind of way to cook this kind of bitter gourd. I already washed and squeeze it. So I will put now here in this container and I will put now in sun drying for 1 hour. And then I have to half fry again this one and start now cooking. This is very long way to cook. Then we have to put now in sun because weather today is good. So when you fry this one, it's a little bit dry. If you fry this one fresh, so it's not good. So much better you put in sun and then can be dry little bit. So over there I will put there because over there I will put there. Because weather today is very nice. It's a sunny day. So I will put here, I will leave for 1 hour here. Yan. 1 hour I keep this one in sun. So what I have to do is I have to half fry this one. Half fry, so oil is already half what you call this? Hot. I mean not half. So we have to half fry this grilly or bitter gourd ampalaya. And ito naman yung sahog na minced meat. I already half fried this one, so I saute now garlic. Now we have to put now also these onions. Garlics and onions is already brown. Now we can put now this salt, chili powder, turmeric powder. And to be followed by cherry tomatoes, green chilies, and red chilies, optional. Now we have to wait these tomatoes become paste. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this boiled minced meat. I remove already the water. So we'll put now this one. And I did not put all because I need this one to cook something. This one native string beans and native bitter gourd or sweet gourd. So I need this one. That's why I did not put all. Because half kilogram this minced meat. So this is too much enough also. Itong sahog niya. Now we'll check. Now we can put now this half fry bitter gourd. Wait. Because this minced meat is already because I boiled this minced meat, so that's why just only 3 minutes I fry. Now we have to cover again.